Hi, I'm Perry Rotella, and I'm the Managing Director for Financial Services here at Box. Today I'm with Bhaskar, who is Principal Technology Evangelist at Guidewire. And we're here to talk about our partnership as we work together with our insurance customers. So Bhaskar, can you tell me a little bit about yourself, your role at Guidewire, and a little bit about what Guidewire does?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having me, Ferry. So Guidewire is a market leader. Uh, we provide, enterprise software for property and casualty customers, right? So we are a global company. We are 500 plus customers, across the regions, 20 plus countries. So some of our products power core operations, right? From policy, billing, claims, um, so yeah, I represent technology alliances and marketplace team, and my team is responsible for driving innovation through bringing, partner integration strategies, building marketplace content, apps, right? In my role, I'm responsible for, putting the integration strategy for partners, driving scope, design, and whatnot, right? So that um, with one side driving the Guidewire cloud adoption, also helping customers to maximize value from the Guidewire marketplace.
Mm. So Bhaskar, we announced our partnership about over a year ago now, and with the latest advances in Box AI, we are now able to extract metadata as customers submit proof of claim documents in the underwriting process and in policy submissions. I'd love to get your perspective on the unique value proposition of the Box Guidewire integration.
Sure, yeah. So the unique value prop comes from the capabilities that you have as a content management system along with AI, right? If you take some of the use cases where you automatically you extract some of the key insights from those documents, right? You classify the documents automatically, right? So all this is saving works for underwriters and adjusters so that they can focus on more important work rather than keying the information, making mistakes. So it kind of eliminates that work completely and then give time back to the adjusters, right? So that's the unique value part. With the AI, it's going to speed up the process.
Yeah, and what we're also finding is, customers that use Guidewire, that have their content stored in Box. It's a unified place for the content,
Right.
right? So you might go into claims litigation, and your lawyers aren't working within Guidewire, but they have that same content available to them in Box as they build out their claims cases,
Yep.
right? So AI agents are the talk of the town.
Right.
How do you view AI agents sort of evolving in the insurance space, in both claims from first notice of loss till settlement, and then on the underwriting side from policy, submission to binding? How do you see agents kind of doing work in the companies?
Sure, absolutely. So the agentic AI are going to be the new digital assistants, right? So they're going to be part of the workforce. I was, listening to your keynote from your CEO, Aaron, and, he spoke about how agentic AI is going to transform the workforce, right? So I also listened to one of the demo, from your product management leader. So I believe, as she rightly put, so you're going to have agents where that's going to drive the orchestration. And you're going to have native agents, which are more like do the foundational work, right? Meaning extracting the information from the documents, populating a submission so that the underwriters don't have to key in, it, they're going to move away from, document wranglers to more of, decision makers, right? And especially on the claim side. So we are going to have AI agents, across the whole underwriting and claims use cases, right? Um, so I believe, you know, uh, given you have this agentic AI framework, there will be evolving need for the foundational agents who is going to take care of use cases like document extraction. And you are also going to have custom AI agents who is going to orchestrate with this foundational agents, right? All that is built in the AI agentic framework, right?
Right.
Um, and I think that's going to bring immense productivity, efficiency gain. cutting down the claims life cycle, reducing the bind to quote ratio, right? So
Right.
things like that.
Yeah, so the underwriters can focus on risk assessment and underwriting. Yep. Claims adjusters can focus on satisfying the customer need, right? And what it also does is it creates a better customer experience.
Yep,
So it's a win-win, for the insurers.
absolutely.
So insurance is a industry that is highly regulated, requires significant compliance. That's something that Guidewire, deals with every day.
Yep.
Right, insurers. Given the strict, privacy and compliance requirements, how does the Box Guidewire integration ensure that there's secure and compliant interactions?
Sure. Yeah. So we take the compliance, security, and access control very seriously, right? Because if you know, like the insurance industry is have PII data, you know, so that the data should be managed very securely, right? So if you look at Box, of course, you have access controls, to control encryption, retention, data destruction, right? So you have all those access controls at the enterprise level from black box platform. Similarly, if you take Guidewire, we have RBAC, right? Role-based access controls. So that limits roles and permissions for users who use Claim Center and Policy Center, right? So the security and compliance is already baked into both these platforms, right? So with this integration, I believe you know, we are going to achieve and maintain and satisfy the regulatory requirements from different regulatory bodies, right? Like GDPR and HIPAA and NAIC model laws, right?
Right.
And if we take the AI, there is a clear cut security measure to make sure the data that we train the models on or not customer data, right? Um, and 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 there are controls as well to make sure the data is only for intended use. Um,
Correct.
I think the platform app capabilities that's embedded that takes care of the security and compliance automatically.
As you know, I mean, the Box platform is really focused on the content at the center, right? And then we build the security controls, the compliance capabilities around that content.
Yep.
Right. So everything that a user can access is the same as what AI can access. So we have that built into the core
Sure.
of what we do.
Mhm.
And we focus on what we know best, which is content.
Yep.
What would you say is a pragmatic path for CIOs that are implementing Guidewire with Box as kind of a roadmap for success?
Sure. I mean, I'll start with the easy one, right? So implementing the Box Guidewire integration that's available in the marketplace that applies to both Policy Center and Claim Center, right? That's probably the easy one. That's going to reduce the implementation time. It's going to reduce the risk. It's going to speed up, time to market and things like that, right? And if you look at that integration, you see the solution is already pre-trained with extraction templates, right? So which is a big advantage, right? Also, the document to the DMS workflow is automated using an component called app events, right? Which is part of our integration framework. Right. So therefore, I would say take benefit out of it. But if you look at the construct, right, the pragmatic entry is to identify use cases that are more document intensive, right? That's where the value is. That's where the benefit is, right? So if you take claims, I would say a couple of use cases, right? Claims FNOL or claims triaging, which is more document heavy. Another use case would be subrogation, right? And if you move to underwriting side, I would say submission intake on the commercial lines, especially the workers' comp line, have a big potential to show the real value, right? So there are a couple of areas where CIOs can take an entry point and realize the value faster, sooner than the later, right?
Right.
So if you look at the metric to measure the ROI, I would say your straight through processing time, right? Your reduction in claims processing time, right? So that, time to contact, time to make the first contact, time to triage. So all those cycle times are measurable so that you can measure that metric, right? So that you and directly relate to the ROI.
Right.
Especially if you take the underwriting use case, the ROI metric would be how fast a submission is turned to a quote, right? So from submission to clearance to bind and quote, what is the cycle time? What's the reduction? So those are the metrics that the executives can use to measure the real value.
Yeah, one of the exciting things about this partnership is, the metrics you just described, we all share them. Yep. Box, Guidewire, and our insurance customers.
Sure.
Which is really exciting. Yep. So I'd like to conclude there. Thank you, Bhaskar, for joining us today. Uh, we're really excited about the Guidewire Box partnership. We're having real traction, across the industry, and we're excited about Guidewire Connections next month. And we're really a big sponsor there. And for those of you that would like to learn more, you should go to box.com and learn more about our integration with Guidewire. Thank you.